Hey, hello everybody. This is Mahi, and how are you all? I hope you all are well. So, guys, today we will be discussing some factual knowledge in general, and you can enrich yourself with some factual knowledge without even having a little bit burden on your mind. Okay? So, let me tell you, do you know this girl? If you know, it's good. If you don't know, I tell you, this is Taylor. This is Sarah Taylor, the captain of England team. So yes, exactly, we are going to discuss something about England. So let's get start this lecture series. Guys, now please tell me that can you recognize this map out of the world map section? My dear friend, this is Europe. And Europe is a continent. You all know this thing very well. Now look at this part. This is British Isles. Friends, let me tell you one concept before proceeding further in this video. A group of islands, we call it an archipelago. जब भी हम कहीं ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड्स देखेंगे उसको हम बोलते हैं आर्किपेलागो. ठीक है गाइज, यू ऑफन माइट हैव हर्ड दीज वर्ड्स लाइक इंग्लैंड, ग्रेट ब्रिटेन, ओके, यूनाइटेड किंगडम एंड ब्रिटिश आइल्स. But many of you might not be knowing the difference between them. So today I will let you know the difference of these words. Please enjoy the knowledge. You do not need to make notes out there or something anything else. Okay friends? Okay. Guys, if you see here, you will find 5 countries: England, Wales, Scotland, Northern Ireland and Ireland. Okay. Ireland, also called Republic of Ireland. How it become, I will tell you. Friends, for the first time in 1536, one thing let me tell you, you not need to remember the dates and all that. Okay. So in 1536, the Kingdom of England and Wales formed. The Kingdom of England and Wales formed. What does that mean? That means both governed by the same king. Okay. Now in 1707, Scotland joined this group and formed the Great Britain. Call it Great Britain or Britain, both are same. So these two countries were formed before Scotland joined it. Okay, so when Scotland joined it, it formed Great Britain. How? This is called Scotland. Okay guys, this is called Wales. Wales is here, and England. So these 3 countries joined together make Great Britain. Okay, now I just told you that Great Britain or Britain both are same. Now in 1801, UK was formed, United Kingdom was formed. How? Ireland joined this group of countries. This section, Ireland joined this group of countries and formed United Kingdom. In the future, 1922, what happened? Ireland withdrew itself from the union of the countries. This Ireland withdrew itself. Only Northern Ireland left. This is Northern Ireland. The green one is Northern Ireland. Only Northern Ireland were left. Republic of Ireland is separated. This is Republic of Ireland. It is separated from the union. Now guys, you can understand that UK is part of British Isles. UK, United Kingdom. I tell you one thing before it. This is Great Britain and the whole section is called British Isles. So UK is also the part of British Isles, excluding the Republic of Ireland. अगर Republic of Ireland को हम निकाल दें तो Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales and England, these 4 countries formed United Kingdom. Is that clear? And if you even exclude Northern Ireland also, if you even exclude this portion, the Northern Ireland also, you will find what? The Great Britain. Great Britain is also the part of British Isles. Okay. So in the summary, now I tell you in the summary, in short, 3 countries, England, Wales and Scotland. is Great Britain. Formed Great Britain. Now, four countries, England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland, formed United Kingdom. Okay, guys. Now, five countries, England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland plus Republic of Ireland, formed British Isles. I hope that you have cleared this concept. Okay, guys. Now, I tell you one thing. I'll tell you about the capitals also. You need not to remember these capitals, just for the sake of knowledge only. So the capital of England is London. The capital of UK is also London. The capital of Wales is Cardiff. The capital of Scotland is Edinburgh. The capital of Northern Ireland is Belfast. The capital of Republic of Ireland is Dublin. Okay, guys. Hope you have got the difference now. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one.